In example 2, we're going to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So if we have our matrix here, 8, -5, -3, and 2, in order to find the inverse, what we want to do is we're going to take 1 over the determinant. So remember, to find the determinant, we're taking 8 times 2 minus -3 times -5. And we're multiplying that by taking the 8 and 2, so this diagonal here, we're going to switch spots. So the 2 is going to come here, and the 8 is going to come here. And then the -3 and the -5 are going to stay in the same spots, but we are taking the opposite signs. So this would be a +5, and this would be a +3. So what we get is 1 over 16 minus 15 times the matrix 2, 5, 3, and 8. 16 minus 15 is 1, so we really have 1 times this matrix, 2, 5, 3, and 8. And multiplying everything inside, so then we have to take this 1 and multiply it by these 4 entries. 1 times none of those are just going to be what we started with. So we could say that our matrix, our inverse, is going to be 2, 5, 3, and 8. Now let's look at one more. So if we take a look here at letter B, we're going to start by taking 1 over the determinant. Remember, the determinant, we're going to start by taking -9 times -2, which is 18. And then minus -9 times -2, which is 18. And then we're multiplying that. We're going to switch the -2 and the -9 on this diagonal. And the -9 here just changes sign to a +9, and the 2 here changes to a positive as well. Well, what happens is we get 1 over 0, which can never happen. We can't divide by 0. So we can say that this one does not have a matrix, or I'm sorry, not a matrix, does not have an inverse, or it's singular. Now what I'd like you to do is to try this. There are 2 of these, so if you go through them both, after you're done, you can unpause the video and check your answers. If you did the letter A correctly, you should have gotten the inverse to be 1, -3, 2/3, and -5/3. And for letter B, you should have found that it's singular, meaning it does not have an inverse. If you have questions on either one of those, please raise your hand and I will come around and help you.